Hello and welcome everybody. My name is Bastian. I'm the Sales and Service Manager 3D at Saremco. In this video, we want to give you a better insight of our 3D printing material for permanent solutions, Saremco Print Chrontec. I will show you the entire workflow from the preparation of a print to the post-treatment and get the best results. But before that, Sven will explain our validation strategy, which aims to provide a large group of users, and also why validation must meet high regulatory requirements and our own high standards. So make sure to watch all of the videos.